Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, you are welcome. In today's video, I am going to decorate an inbuilt very narrow bookshelf with very simple elements in a muted earthy tone but with lot of floral prints. So without much ado, let's go into the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel before, please consider subscribing. The inbuilt bookshelf is cleaned and kept ready for decorating. Let's start with the first level of the shelf. I have placed this brown planter for this already existing golden pothos. On the other side, stacking some books vertically and placing an owl bookend. Actually, this is the original print of the owl, but my son painted on the other side in a light brown shade to match with the color theme. To make a group of 3, placing this bamboo flower vase with some 4 white florals and a small boy figurine holding a garden shovel, and this figurine is made of resin. Throughout the shelf decor, I have maintained the floral prints in one way or other and also incorporated some figurines representing garden work. Moving on to the second level of the shelf, diagonally to the first level, stacking some books in a vertical manner, again with the owl bookend. On the other side, placing this book horizontally as a riser and going to create a small vineyard. This is a cute little glass trinket plate with floral paintings. This is another figurine watering the plants. We have now formed a vineyard with a group of 3 elements. Moving on to the second level of the shelf, using this trinket box as a riser. Again here, we are going to create a vineyard similar to the one in the first level of the shelf. This brown planter and the greenery will match diagonally with the planter and the golden pothos in the first level of the shelf. Now let's take a quick overview of what we have decorated so far. to the bottom level of the shelf, decorating with some faux florals and lantern. Now let's hang some picture frames with floral prints in the wall space near the shelf. At the top of the shelf, going to place this owl picture painted by my son in 2014. Now let's take a quick overview of the full organization. I have chosen shades of brown as the main color palette with some pops of white and pink and some burgundy. This color theme goes well with the fall colors. This video will definitely be an inspiration video for those fall decorators. Adding this wooden lampshade in this corner to give a warm feeling. The other two important items to this corner is a side table and a cozy sofa. With some beautiful throw pillows, the cozy reading corner is ready. When you fold this curtain, you can get the full view of the courtyard. What I usually do is to turn around the sofa so that you can read and relax by seeing the outside scenery. My snack plate and the coffee mug has some floral prints too. Hope you have enjoyed decorating with me. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.